Može, čitaj ti.
Čekaj samo Mike.
Hoćeš Mike?
Mike doesn't work.
Yeah,
Okay. Fantastic Voyage. This is the name of the song.
Oh.
Fantastic Voyage.
It was hot day in August when Captain Ilya led the tree into the deep water of Adriatic Sea. Off to the sound bank said the cap. The sun shines brighter and the sand is winter there on the Albania part of the map. Boldly they went where other did not dare and thought the engine was crappy and warning were there for the tolls of woe Ilya did not care. Firm hand on the rudder, an adventure in his eyes, the light-heart cap lead the crew to the prize, with sandy beach under the bright blue skies. With a bit of luck, the strait was safely passed, and the promised sand they arrived at last. Array coining caused their trouble were now in past. The old grumpy sea did not care for the witness of the beach, and their happiness flare. And the shipwreck order for them it prepared. It shocked the tide boat and slammed on the coast, and thought with valor of the captain for
James' Serbian is better sounding than his English.
The crew was fast into the rescue. Then many had come, tourists, Russian, Albanian fishermen, and local tow away. Together they fought the sea and victorious became. On the return, the crew was quiet. The critics and the scolders and the boat owners riot and feed the captain with fecal diet. Dark times fell on the once joyful crew. The voyage was called a disaster, and of the boat captain was no longer a master. But as the sun set slowly on the west, sparkly in Ilya's eyes held a spiteful thought. Next year we need to have a bigger boat. Dobar